Fun fact, all nails in wood produce that black stain, not just oak. So that's actually not true. Right here is oak, right here is pine, southern white pine. And as you can see, there is no marking at all. Well, here there is. And what's actually happening is not the nails rusting, but it's actually the wood oxidizing. So essentially the wood is rusting, if that makes sense. And here's the pine. Nothing. Now you might say this is a fresh palette and that's why it's like that. Here's an old weathered palette. You see these slight rust spots. Definitely not like the oak. This one's oak.